Hello there, quiz lovers. Welcome to another exciting adventure into the depths of your personality. Ready to discover your true personality? Well, you're in luck. Today we have a fun and engaging quiz that will reveal fascinating insights about who you really are. Today I'm going to take you on a whirlwind tour of your psyche with this fun and quirky quiz. It's time to uncover the hidden layers of your personality and see what makes you tick. Grab a pen and paper and let's dive right in. Make sure you're comfortable and ready to explore the depths of your mind. Question 1. How do you spend your Saturday mornings? This question will give us a glimpse into your weekend habits and preferences. A. Reading a book with a steaming cup of tea. Do you love the tranquility and peace that comes with a good book and a warm drink? B. Hitting the gym, breaking a sweat. Are you someone who thrives on physical activity and enjoys starting the day with a burst of energy? C. Binge watching your favorite series in bed. Do you prefer a more relaxed and laid-back start to your weekend, catching up on your favorite shows? Got your answer? Great! Let's move on to the next question. Question 2. What's your go-to snack? Your snack choices can say a lot about your personality and lifestyle. A. A fancy cheese platter. Do you have a taste for the finer things in life and enjoy indulging in gourmet treats? B. Protein shake, of course. Are you health conscious and always looking for ways to fuel your body with nutritious options? C. A bucket of popcorn. Do you love the simple pleasures and enjoy snacking on something light and fun while watching a movie? You're doing fantastic. Let's keep going. Question 3. If you could have any superpower, what would it be? This question will reveal your deepest desires and aspirations. A. The ability to read minds. Are you curious about what others are thinking and wish you could understand their thoughts and feelings? B. Super strength. Do you dream of having the power to overcome any physical challenge and be a true hero? C. Time travel. Are you fascinated by the idea of exploring different eras and changing the course of history? All right, pencils down. It's time to see what your answers reveal about you. Now, for the moment you've been waiting for, let's tally up those answers and reveal your personality. This is where the magic happens, and you get to see which personality type you align with the most. If you picked mostly A's, you're an intellectual dreamer. You have a rich inner world and love exploring new ideas and concepts. You love diving into the depths of your mind, exploring new ideas and savoring the finer things in life. Intellectual stimulation is your fuel, and you thrive in environments that challenge your mind. You're the type who can spend hours engrossed in deep conversation or getting lost in a book. Your curiosity knows no bounds, and you're always seeking to learn and grow. If you picked mostly B's, you're the action hero. You are full of energy and always ready to take on new challenges, energetic, driven, and always on the move. You thrive on challenges and live for the adrenaline rush. Your dynamic personality makes you a natural leader and motivator. Whether it's a physical workout or tackling a tough project, you're always up for the task. Your determination and resilience are your greatest strengths. And if you picked mostly C's, you're the laid-back adventurer. You have a relaxed and easygoing approach to life. You take life as it comes, enjoying the journey more than the destination. Your spontaneous nature makes you a fun and exciting person to be around. You're spontaneous, fun-loving, and never sweat the small stuff. You know how to enjoy the moment and make the most of every experience. Whether it's exploring a new series or embarking on a last-minute trip, you're always up for a good time. Your adventurous spirit is contagious, and you inspire others to live life to the fullest. So what did you get? Are you an intellectual dreamer, an action hero, or a laid-back adventurer? Let me know in the comments down below. I can't wait to see which personality type you are and hear about your results. And if you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another fun personality test. Your support means the world to me, and it helps me create more exciting content for you. Until next time, keep quizzing and stay awesome. Thanks for watching. Remember, every quiz is a new adventure, and I can't wait to take the next one with you.